Hey everybody, sorry it's been probably 2 weeks since I uploaded. I did Halloween and then I did some Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson nails. They're all falling apart now. So I did those and then I just had stuff happening at home. My husband's home and he's a pain in the butt, so I can't really do this when he's home. And then my cat got sick and I had to put her down because she was like really sick. So yeah, I'm gonna do this hand. I'm gonna fix these up. I'm telling you right now what I'm doing because my husband's still home for a few more days, so I'm going to tell you now what I'm doing. So you're getting one fall set from me because I'm a Christmas junkie, alright? You're lucky you're getting one. So I'm gonna do some fall colors. Probably, I'm thinking this kind of, whatever color that is. It reminds me of fall. I don't know if you can see it good. And I really like this. So I might do like an ombre or something. And I got some holographic stamping polishes from Born Pretty. So I'm thinking of stamping maybe like this tree. There's like a tree that's lost all its leaves. And then there's some leaves right here. I'm gonna try to get just those. And some more kind of leaves right there. Maybe another little empty tree. And I don't know, I think that's it. I'm not gonna do Thanksgiving nails because I'm not gonna draw a turkey on my nail. Who cares about turkey? So yeah, I'm gonna fix these up and then come back when it's time to paint. I'm really excited to use these because I love me some holo. And let me show you this real quick. It was cheap, it took forever to get here. And it's kind of holographic, the glitter inside, because it shifts all different colors. It's gel polish. And this is the brand anyways. I think this is another one I really want to use. But I'm going to use this for Christmas. I'm going to start doing Christmas nails. Really excited about Christmas. This one's pretty too. Anyways, the one I'm using is this one. It just gives me a fall vibe. I mean, there's leaves this color, right? When they fall off. And it's also, I think it's holographic too because I could swear those glitters are changing all different colors. And if I decide something else, then I'll just throw that in there too. Alright, see you in a little while. I did the second coat of this and a little bit up, and then I did a second coat of this, and then I dipped it in for more and then went over it, so it got a nice ombre there, and I didn't have to do the way I usually do, which is half of the brush this color, half of the brush that color. It worked out good. And then I cured it and I wiped it off. And now I'll stamp it and then top coat it. It'll look a lot better when it has top coat in it. I think it came out pretty good. This camera is either, I got 2 new batteries for it. It's either a freaking memory problem, it tells me, or the battery's dead. So now that I got new batteries, it better not tell me the battery's dead. Just cleaning the glitter out of my brushes. This is very, very glittery. I mean, it's nice, the glitter, but it's not nice when you have to clean it out. But I won't bore you with this. I'll edit all this out. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going for fall. So let's see the leaves. I'll tell myself this is orange. It's not. It's just the closest thing to orange in glitter I have. And I have a ton of other stamping polishes, but not holographic ones. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna go grab like a real fall orange. I didn't find a fall orange, but I found a brown and a regular orange. I was trying to do hollow because I just got these and I want to use them. So we'll see. See how long it takes me to do this. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this. Kinda. Still trying to clean this. You know, I was cleaning them with alcohol because it was just gel. Acetone got it really good. In like one dip. I'm surprised. Okay. Now, I usually clean this up with a brush, but instead, I'm going to try to just maybe stamp a leaf at a time. I don't know, you can't even see it. The alcohol is just so dark. You can't see anything. You can't tell what it is. Is this as fall as it's gonna get for me? Because I don't know. I picked a dark color. You can't even see any leaves on it. They're just like an orange spot. I took it off. So, I don't know. I don't have any little leaves to encapsulate, and it's already past that point. So this didn't work out. But you know what? Those are cute colors. At least, right? I don't want to just, I don't know, you can't really see. It's too dark to stamp on. So, whatever. I guess we'll just like put some gems on there or something. Let's see. We have a lot to choose from. I'll pour these into a container so I can see them better. I'm just gonna tell myself that, and you guys, that this is still fall because, what is that, Burgundy? I don't know, but I know when the leaves change colors, I see them change a purple. It looks orange in there, but when I pick it out, it doesn't seem that orange. Is that orange? Yeah, that's orange. Okay. I'm just gonna do some random stuff right now. This stuff smells good. I might just do one nail with gems today. Top coat, I always forget. So I've got some cute Christmas ideas. In case this is boring you, tune in, you know, like next week or something. I don't know, a week and a half, however long it takes for these to grow out. These ones, these are already grown out like a week, so probably 1 week, and I will be doing some Christmas ones. And hello to all my new subscribers. I got like 5 new ones. Hello there to you, and especially you. Thank you for subscribing. So I'm just gonna have one fancy nail today. But the rest are pretty cute. I like the color on these, like, a lot, because they're both hollow. So that's good enough. I'm going to top coat the rest of them and cure them. I have Christmas stamps, so I will be able to use these hollow stampers on my Christmas nails in case any of you really wanted to see them. But no, I didn't. My sweet lady. She's so nice. I don't know if she misses her sister or not, because she used to chase her around the house and attack her. Normally pets get depressed when like another pet dies, or you know, in this case, well, she got sick and then I took her to the vet. So what, to this cat, does she just know she's dead, or is she just like thinking, where the hell is she? Who knows? She doesn't want to come. She says, please, no photography. So, now this stuff, where's it at? This. I was going to buy something, I don't know. Something, I thought it said put 30 seconds, but I was watching Susie on Nail Career Education, and she said that the guy who made this said to cure it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So that's probably why all my gems were falling off like crazy. I'm just gonna clean up and probably edit this out, but if I don't, whatever, I guess I don't talk enough to you. Christmas? A lot of Christmas. Those are all Christmas. And more than this too.